This one is free beach and free parking. This one is something. Look at this. Wow, wow, wow. It's not a big beach. Small beach, but the view is spectacular. Wow, wow, wow. Nice beach. Nice beach. I think this beach is my best new one.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
They're all beautiful, but this one so far is the one we prefer.
It's a small one, so not too many people. It's not too noisy, and it has that nice view in the back. I like that rock there.
Yeah.
I think it's the same one as you can see from La Cinta Beach. It's in the same area.
Lots of trees, nature, lots of nature.
Yeah, there's also like a pine forest. It's really nice. And the color of the water is good, clear.
Clear.
Yeah, and it has a nice tiny sands.
Yeah, and the water is nice.